This a emergency alert system. Please stand by. Panic warning, emergency alert system broadcast. This is a national emergency alert. A widespread panic event is unfolding across multiple regions. The situation is volatile, and public safety is at immediate risk. Follow these instructions carefully to maximize your survival chances. *** 1. Stay indoors immediately. **. Shelter in place. Do not attempt to evacuate unless directed by authorities. Roads are unsafe due to mass movement, accidents, and potential civil unrest. Barricade doors and windows if necessary. ** 2. Avoid crowds and public spaces. ** Panic-induced violence and stampedes are possible. If you are outside, seek the nearest secure building. Do not engage with agitated individuals. ** 3. Secure essential supplies. ** Ration food, water, and medication. Fill containers with water in case utilities fail. Assume services may be disrupted indefinitely. ** 4. Disconnect from unverified sources. ** Misinformation is spreading rapidly. Monitor only official emergency broadcasts, this frequency *, for updates. Do not trust unverified social media or rumors. ** 5. Protect yourself from escalation. *. If you witness violence or looting, hide. Do not intervene unless your life is directly threatened. Authorities will prioritize critical zones. Help may be delayed. ** 6. Prepare for prolonged confinement. *. Expect power outages, communication blackouts, and supply shortages. Use battery-powered devices sparingly. Stay silent if hostile groups are nearby. ** 7. Do not travel. *. Vehicles are targets for theft or blockades. Movement increases exposure to danger. If authorities issue evacuation orders, follow designated routes only. ** 8. Reassess only when all clear is given. *. This broadcast will repeat updates. The panic event may evolve unpredictably. Compliance saves lives. Repeat. Shelter, secure supplies, silence devices, and wait. Do not act on fear. This message will repeat. Stand by.